Hey, welcome back to my new video. This is Easy Tutorials, and for those of you who are the first time in this channel, please consider subscribing. This is what we'll learn to do today. Before we start, I'd like to invite you to support me on Patreon. You can also get access to all my premium content. So let's start. First, import your footage into After Effects. Then create a new composition. And drag your footage into it. So, what you wanna do now that your footage is on your timeline, is to identify the start and the end point of your flicker effect, according to your scene or to your background music. I already did this, and in my case, the strobe effect will start here. And it will end here. As you can see, I had split my video layer in those points. How can you do this? Easy. Select your layer and go to Edit, Split Layer. Or click Ctrl+Shift+D on your keyboard. Now, what you have to do is place your playhead on the start point and select your video layer. Move 2 frames forward and split your layer. Then 2 more frames forward and split it again. Then another 2 frames. And do this over and over again, until you reach the end point. Now you have to go to the start point again. And delete every other chunk of video layer, like this. When you reach to the last one, go to your Effects and Presets panel, and search for Inverted. Apply this effect to the last piece of your flicker effect, and there you have it. Let's see our final result. This strobe, or flicker effect, is often used in trailers, commercials, and music videos. I love utilizing it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you guys have any idea for future episodes, please comment it in the comment section below. I'll see you guys later. Bye.